So hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising from 6th till the 12th of May. It's my birthday on 12th, okay? I'm just telling you guys beforehand. So it might or might not resonate as it's general. The rules can be reversed also. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? Okay. So if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's super easy to understand, have the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want personal one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Libra, the person that you are, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Six of Wands. Okay, someone here is either trying to make this situation work out in a beautiful manner, in a positive way, or they're working too hard on their individual success and growth. Let me clarify the Six of Wands, where it is going. But there's still a lot of passion towards you, still a lot of attraction towards you. That I'm sure about. Wands is all about attraction and passion. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Wands. We have the Ten of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Cups. Okay. This person's energies are directed towards you. They feel like they should put an end to these blockages. They should put an end to this defensiveness kind of energy towards you. And they should come towards you with a loving and caring and compassionate kind of energy. They feel like coming towards you with love and making the situation work out. Now, because the control is not working, working with the logical mind is not working, working with the not so good kind of energy is not working. So they feel like coming towards you with loving, compassionate, nurturing kind of energy is going to change the dynamics of this situation, and maybe it's going to work out this time. This is what they're feeling, right? Their intuition is telling them to come towards you or approach towards you with a loving and caring and nurturing kind of energy. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Four of Wands. Okay, see, you are kind of committed to this situation, even if you are not committed, even if you are not in love, like not in that kind of commitment, kind of committed kind of relationship in the situation. From your side, you feel committed to the situation in some way, shape or form. You're like, okay, even if we are not, I am. Or you're feeling like having that kind of dynamics. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. We have the Death card, the Six of Cups and the Hierophant. You're like, I'm done with this relationship thing, I'm done with this connection thing, or we are boyfriend girlfriend thing, or we are just a casual thing. You feel like being in a solid committed relationship and or in a married kind of dynamic. In your mind, in your heart and soul, you are committed. In some cases, you are actually married to this person. But for most of you, even if you are not committed or married to this person, in your mind, in your heart and soul, you are. These are your feelings. Okay? Very intense. Very intense. You feel like this is it. This is my person. This is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with, without an ounce of doubt. Got it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Wow, Death and Rebirth. Their intention is to start this connection all over again with a fresh energy. Like whatever happened in the past, let it die. Let it like bury that, right? Start from scratch. Start from a fresh energy, like fresh intentions, fresh kind of connection, kind of a dynamic. Let's clarify the Death and Rebirth. We have the Ace of Wands, the King of Wands, the Magician. I'm telling you, this person is having a lot of passion towards you. Lot of attraction, lot of passion towards you, and they're manifesting a second chance. They're manifesting a brand new beginning in this direction. They want to like let the past be in the past and start from scratch. Like, okay, let's start from scratch, let's be friends again, let's have fun again, let's start from that kind of, you know, butterflies in the stomach kind of a deal. You on the other hand is considering this situation as a very serious one, and like, okay, this is something that I'm going to die for. They are like, okay, let's have fun with these energies, let's see where things can go kind of a deal. You guys are not on the same page. You guys are not on the same page. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Temperance. You want to be patient in the situation, but at the same time you are like, okay, I want to be patient in the situation, but at the same time I want things to be done in a certain way. Like, I want things to be done in a perfect way, perfect, balanced way. You are a Libra, you want everything to be balanced. Yep. Let's clarify the Temperance here, honey, for you guys. As your intentions. Five of Cups, Two of Wands, and the Ace of Cups, right? You want time in this situation in the manner that you want to let go of the pain, the upsetting energies, the not so good energies that you've experienced in this situation. You want time to recover, you want time to heal, so that you can come towards this situation with an open heart, and open energies. I have seen people like making fun of me because I am not able to say hurt or hurt. I say hurt and hurt and hurt. Come on, understand, just try to understand. Not everyone is like perfect like you guys. Some people are not. I am imperfectly perfect. I am happy with myself, right? If you are not able to understand me, just get out of here, please. Get out of here. I'm telling you straight away. Okay? So, yes. So, you want to wait for the time when you will be able to let go of the pain and the stressful energies that you experienced because of this situation. And you want to approach the situation with an open heart and open energies of love and compassion. Okay? You want to take your time, but your intention is to, get this shit done together, the marriage commitment, the long-term partnership kind of thing done. This person's intention is to come towards you with an energy of, okay, let's have fun, let's see where things can go. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 12th of May, Libra. Hierophant. Okay, see, I do see some kind of, spiritual connection, kind of high level of commitment kind of energy heading your way. I don't know if this is the same energy or the energy that you're trying to manifest, or this is different. Let's clarify the Hierophant. Might be Taurus, you're dealing with Taurus or Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Pisces we have, Sagittarius we have. Even if these signs are not your person's sign, please don't be crazy over signs. I stop. Yes. Okay. See, I do see people approaching you. I do see people approaching you. I do see you finding ways to get what you really want out of relationships, out of love and relationship area. So I do see you going in different directions to find the right energy for you, to find the right match for you. I don't see you stuck on a particular person or energy only to get what you really want. And all you want is a long-term partnership, commitment, and or a marriage, right? And you're like, okay, if I'm not going to get it from this particular person or situation, I'm going to explore other options, or I'm going to, get new ways to, get it done by get it done somehow. I don't know what that somehow is for you. For some of you are going to start new exploring options, exploring new options like people, connections, and relationships. For others of you, it's like you're going to learn the ways to how to convert a situationship or friendship, or how to come on the same page with your person so that you guys can go to the level of commitment. Whatever you are going to start, whatever you are going to do, I think it will start working out in your favor slowly but surely, because you're going to be very crystal clear in your mind space that this is what I want, this is what I want to manifest in my life, and this is how I'm going to do it. And boom, the universe is going to help you in your search or your research or whatever. So you will be learning new ways to get what you really want out of love and relationship area, and that's commitment, high level of commitment, marriage, and or long-term partnership. And the universe is going to help you, Okay, gotcha. Your mental clarity is going to bring you something that you really wanted from a very long time, and the universe got your back. This time it's like they got it. It got it. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra, in the situation. We have the Six of Swords and the Page of Cups and the Five of Swords. The more you are going to the more you are going to be in your head about things, the more you are going to apply your mind when you need your heart, the more you are going to be pissed off with yourself. You're like, okay, what the hell is going on? You have to find a balance between your heart and soul, heart and mind, conscious mind and heart, or you can say logical mind and your heart, or you have to simply listen to your heart, because your heart is like making you go in a very, very perfect direction, but your mind, your logical mind, is always questioning your heart, like what? Questioning your heart, like what is wrong? Why you're going in that direction? Might be you're going to get hurt again. Might be you're going to get nothing out of that direction. So please don't go in that direction. So your heart is trying to tell you that I am your friend. Your mind is trying to tell you I am your friend. So you're kind of stuck in between your heart and mind, and you're like, what the hell should I do? Listen to your heart when it comes to the matter of your heart. So when you're going to mix your conscious mind or logical mind in the matter of heart, you're always going to lose, because it's your heart, right? So yeah, listen to your heart. Yeah, this is what I have. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.